Dear students, welcome back to Social Science class. Today we will discuss about the first chapter, part 2. Now we are moving to North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world and is made up of 23 countries. It is bounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. It is linked to South America by a narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus here means it is a narrow strip of land with a sea on both sides. However, the Panama Canal now separates the two continents, that is, South America and North America. Mount McKinley in Alaska is the highest point in this continent. Dear students, look at the image. Here we can see Panama Canal. It is a canal that links the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through the Isthmus of Panama from northwest to southeast. Now we are going to learn about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world and is made up of 12 countries. It is surrounded by oceans on all sides. The Andes Mountains, which runs through its length, are the longest mountain ranges in the world. South America is the home of the world's largest river, the Amazon. The famous Amazon rainforest, the world's thickest forests, are located here. Next is Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. The South Pole lies almost all the center of this continent. Antarctica is permanently covered with thick ice sheets and is thus called the frozen continent or white continent. It is the coldest part of the world. It contains 75% of the ice in the world. It is the only continent where people do not live on a permanent basis. Only some animals, such as penguins, whales, and seals, are found here. Next is Europe. Europe is the sixth largest and second smallest continent in the world. Europe is bounded in the north by the Arctic Ocean and in the west by the Atlantic Ocean. To its south lies the Mediterranean Sea. Europe is joined to Asia in the east. Now we are moving to Australia. Australia is the seventh and the smallest continent in the world. It is also known as a country continent. Currently, there are 3 confirmed countries. are surrounded by oceans. It is called an island continent. The Great Barrier Reef, it means world's largest coral reef. It is near the coast of Queensland, Australia. It is made up of nearly 2,900 coral reefs. Reef means it is a bar of rock, sand, coral, or similar material lying under the surface of water. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest structure made by living things, and the Great Australian Desert are two well known features of this continent. Dear students, now look at the picture. We can see here Great Barrier Reef. Now we are going to learn about oceans. What is ocean? The vast or large body of salt water that covers almost 3/4 of the Earth's surface is called ocean. There are 5 oceans on the Earth's surface, namely the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Students, look at the world map. Here we can see 5 oceans. First one, Pacific Ocean. Second, Atlantic Ocean. It is also known as S-shaped ocean. The shape of this ocean is S. We can see from the picture. Next, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. In the north, it is connected to the Arctic Ocean through a narrow stretch of water called Bering Strait. In the south, it is merged with the Atlantic, the Indian, and the Antarctic Oceans. The Pacific Ocean is bounded by Asia and Australia in the west, and North America and South America in the east. It is also the deepest ocean. The world's deepest trench. Trench means a narrow ditch, or the definition of trench is it is a long steep sided depression in the ocean floor. The deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, about 10,900 meters deep, lies in it. Bering Strait lies between Alaska and Russia, connecting the Bering Sea and the Arctic Ocean. Next is Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It extends in an S shape from the Arctic to the Antarctic regions between North and South America on the west and Europe and Africa on the east. The shape of Atlantic Ocean is S. The unique feature of this ocean is the mid-Atlantic ridge means mountains, which has several high peaks or mountains that form islands in the ocean. It is the busiest ocean for the trade and commerce. Some of the world's best seaports like London, New York, Montreal are along the Atlantic coast. People are using Atlantic oceans for trade purpose. Next is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It is the only ocean that is named after a country, India. It is bounded by Asia on the north, Africa on the west, and Australia in the east. The two important parts of the Indian Ocean are the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Next is Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is the fourth largest ocean in the world. It is also called the Southern Ocean. It surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It is formed by the merging of the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean. Next is the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the fifth and smallest ocean in the world, and it is also known as the coldest of all the oceans. North America, Europe, and Asia continents border this ocean in the south. It lies within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. On account of the closeness of the North Pole, it remains frozen throughout the year.